All right, I am making this quick walkthrough for you to show you our new clone create feature mockup. So still a work in progress, but this is what we've done a few user interviews and we've kind of aligned over here. So the goal of this is to create new ASINs or new SKUs. And when you go to this feature, you're going to see these three options. We have create offer, create new ASIN, and clone ASIN. Create offer, just like it says, it's a new SKU on an existing Amazon listing. So whether you like to have an FBM for all of your FBA listings or vice versa, or you have expirable products and you want to put them in quarterly or monthly expirations, this is a way, and we'll walk through here first, that you can create one or both of the same. So you're going to pick from your catalog or from any ASIN. I'm just going to use this as an example. And because we don't have any real data, I'm going to go to the multiple. I'm just going to put that in there. You can pick it from your listings, or you can pick it from, or you can paste a list in. And then because we know the product type, we're going to show you these are the things that every product needs, and then these are specific to the product type, right? So if we're saying it's a shirt or apparel, it needs these additional ones. You can apply a suffix to all of them, or you can just go in here and then edit, right? If you want to do the date, it's for 27, right? You can do that. And then obviously you need to make them different, or you can do, right? Something like that. And once you edit it, you'll do that. You can make them all FBM or FBA. You can make their price exactly the same as source. You can do source plus dollar, or you can just all make them a certain amount. And then you can set the quantity. So that's the create offer. Amazon also calls it create condition, so we wanted to make that good. Now, we have, for a net new ASIN, you can either create an ASIN from scratch or clone an ASIN. Cloning an ASIN is, let's say you have a Batman t-shirt and you want to make a Wonder Woman, Spider-Man, Superman t-shirt. That's where you would use the clone. Maybe you want to change one or two things. If you're changing a lot of different attributes in even the category or product type, you want to start with the create new. And we'll start here. Now we're going to give you the option. Is this a net new? Hey, Google, stop. Is this new listing or an existing family? Right? Because you can make a new ASIN and add it to appearance or net new listing. Now, on this new listing, is it just going to be a one-off standalone, or is it part of a family, a new family? And do we want to just do the parent now or include the children? So we're just going to do a standalone for this example. We start you with the category. So because from the category gets the requirements. So we're just going to pick this fish oil, right? And you can see because of that, it's a nutritional supplement, and we're going to get the requirements for there. Now, automatically, we're going to show you, boom, all of these things are required if it's a supplement, and we're going to make you fill those in. Let's just use some filler data for now, right? Let's just do $10, new, boom, and then optional fields here. And we're going to actually show you all the fields that are available on this for this mockup. We're just going to show you this. And then what we're going to do is valid. When you click this button, we are sending a test to Amazon's API, and we're saying, hey, here's the information we're gonna send in. Are there any errors? So this is like when you upload and you get a processing report. If you're uploading a flat file, you download it and you get an error, you have to go fix something. We're doing it all in the tool here, right? Boom. This is for mockup because it's not making the actual calls. And same thing in bulk. So if you want to create, let's say, 1,000 new products, you're going to upload a file. Now, you're going to tell us, are they all in the same category or are they mixed product types? If they're mixed product types, you have to tell us what they're in so we can pull those requirements. If they're in a single category, then you can just put that in there, upload the file, and then map it to that one. So we'll nice and easy, auto map it. And then here's on the clone side, singular, very similar. So you're going to be able to either pick this from your catalog or pull this from an Amazon thing, right? Boom, go there. Is it new listing, a part of the existing family? Is it a standalone? Or is it a new parent? And let's include the children. Boom. And we're going to either clone it or start from scratch. Good when children share almost nothing, or clone from a sibling. Okay, right? What is our variation theme going to be? Size only. And we're going to show you only the valid ones. You know, what we're trying to do is prevent all of the cases where you upload something and Amazon says, no, that doesn't work. Go fix this. We can do that beforehand because we're only showing you the valid areas. Cool. This is a cool part here. So this is, we're calling this the access builder, right? So you pick size and color. All right, what are the sizes? Let's do large, medium, and then we're going to do this like showing you that you can free add it, right? So you have large, medium, and extra large, but extra large spelled out, black, white, and let's do sparkles, right? So who doesn't love sparkle shirt? And automatically, because we've done that, well, now we've got nine combinations of that because we have 3 sizes and 3 colors. Now we've got 9 children. Boom. Just like that. Variation family checked. You can set prices, you can set quantity, and then upload those. So that is boom. Similar with the bulk, right? So you can take that. It's an apparel. Because it's apparel, we're only showing you the valid variation themes. Similar on the size collector with a free entry. Or you can paste in your data, and because of that, you pull the attributes that you need. Or if you want, you can upload an Excel or choose from the listing. So we're trying to make this as easy to, if you've got a list in the spreadsheet somewhere, if you want to paste some stuff in, or if you just want to build it manually, we're giving you all those options. Let us know any feedback you have on this, or any things you're seeing or not seeing, or how this would help your workflow. And we will continue to iterate on this. Hopefully this is helpful. I'm looking forward to getting this live soon. Bye.